By the end of the video, we'll know complete guide. How to craft your bodyweight workout plan. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on crafting your own bodyweight workout plan. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this guide will help you design effective and personalized workouts that fit your goals and lifestyle. Firstly, let's decide on your goal. Are you aiming for endurance, strength, flexibility, or maybe you want to improve your balance or coordination? Once you've identified your goal, we can tailor the exercises to match. Now, let's break it down. 1. Start with a warm-up. Jumping jacks, high knees, or jogging in place are great options. 2. Then move on to the core exercises. Push-ups, squats, lunges, and sit-ups are versatile choices. 3. Follow up with cardio exercises. Burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, or high knees are excellent options. 4. Lastly, add some stretches to cool down and prevent injury. Leg stretch, tricep stretch, calf stretch, and shoulder stretch are recommended. By alternating between these elements and varying the number of repetitions or sets based on your experience level and fitness goals, you can create a tailored workout plan that effectively challenges your body without overtaxing it. Don't forget to start with low-intensity workouts and gradually increase the difficulty over time to avoid injuries. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to achieving results. Even if you can only squeeze in a short workout once a week at first, consistency will help build good habits and set the foundation for long-term success in your health journey. We hope this guide has been helpful for crafting your own bodyweight workout plan. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Stay fit and healthy until next time.